Cut off the top and tail of the lemon. Lay the lemon on its side on a cutting board, and hold it steady with one hand. With a sharp knife, in your other hand, cut off the top and bottom ends, the top and tail, of the lemon. The fruit should now be in the shape of a barrel placed on its side. Stand the lemon upright and cut it into quarters. Place the lemon vertically on the cutting board, so that the now flattened top or bottom is facing up at you. Cut straight down through the lemon with your knife to cut it in half lengthwise, then rotate the lemon 90 degrees, and make another downward cut to create 4 equal sections. Cut down to remove the pith and seeds from each upright lemon quarter. Take each quarter one at a time and hold it upright along the skin side. Slice down through the pith, the stringy, more sponge-like section at the center of the whole lemon, which also contains the seeds. Discard the pith and seeds, cut each quarter in half to create 8 completed lemon wedges. Simply lay each quarter on its side, skin side down, on the cutting board. Use your free hand to hold each piece steady, and cut each quarter in half to end up with 8 equal wedges.